Pranam Satyo, you're listening to More Traveler Akshay from this side of the video. We are going to do an unboxing on our channel today. The limited viewers that I have succeeded in garnering today might be surprised because this is a channel about riding, driving, exploring and traveling, right? But yeah, I have been planning to buy this accessory for doing videography of my travels from a long time. But this was a long pending plan. And the Amazon Freedom Sale has enabled me to buy this accessory now. So let's go ahead with the unboxing now. Okay guys, so let's start the unboxing. This is an Amazon package that has been freshly delivered. So yeah, this is the accessory that I was talking about, that I had been planning from a long time, and I was not able to adjust the budget for it, but now I have bought it anyways. So this is DJI's latest mobile gimbal, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, which I believe is a must for travel vloggers. If you want to go creative about your vlogging, this would be one of the best accessories that you can buy, which is in a lower budget, and this is where you can really start. Okay, let's see what the box and the packaging has to offer. As you can see, the front side just has the gimbal's picture with the mobile and the branding itself and the model name. And then if you turn towards the side, there are some pics. Nothing apart from the branding on this side. And then towards the back, all usual stuff as you can imagine. So it works with Android, Apple, and then you have 3-axis stabilization, quick launch, portable and foldable, active track, easy tutorials with one-tap editing, and built-in extension rod, which is a unique feature for this gimbal. Actually, not many gimbals have this extension. There are some in the market, but I believe with the very good build quality that DJI offers, this is one of the best. So this is one of the main reasons that I chose this Osmo Mobile 6, because it has an extension rod which definitely helps while vlogging. You can see the pricing here is close to 18K, but in Amazon's Freedom Sale I could get a hands-on one at just 11,739 rupees. And yeah, let's go ahead with the unboxing. Okay, this is not a tech channel, so you wouldn't find any fancy cutting tools, pardon me on that. So we'll resort with the normal blade. Okay, how do I open this? Okay, here's the tag. Fine, so let's see what's in the box now. Okay, there are some instructions here for the DJI Mimo app that this gimbal interfaces with on the mobile. And there are quite a few instructions which I'll go through later. Let's see what's there in the box itself. This box again, I believe as usual, some paperwork. Is it paperwork actually? What's in there? Oh, okay, so this is not paperwork. There is paperwork too, which you can see here, but this is a nice pouch, an Alcantara kind of texture to it, quite good, which has the Osmo branding on it. And then okay, there is also a type A to type C cable, which we'll keep aside. Let's look into the actual contents of the box. Okay, the highlight of this video itself, the gimbal. Okay, so this looks quite nice, very nice quality. Let's see what else is there. Okay, the mobile holder itself, this is magnetic, which fixes onto the back of the mobile, and then it just uh, sticks itself to the gimbal. And then last but not the least, I think this should be the tripod. Yeah, so this is the tripod that gets attached to the lower base of the gimbal. Okay, now that we are done with the unboxing of the gimbal, let's see what this holds. I hope I'm doing this right. I'm doing this for the first time. Okay, yeah, so this is how it unfolds, and as you can see, the device switches on as soon as you unfold the gimbal. And this is one of the best features of this gimbal, where you can see there is a small display screen, and this display screen shows the battery levels, the different modes that you switch while you're using the gimbal. This is the joystick, which is used for changing the direction of the phone when you are operating the gimbal. And then you have this button, which is for vertical and horizontal axis mode. And then this is the mode button, where you are changing the modes of the gimbal. And then you have a rotation wheel over here, which is used for the zoom and the focus functions, I believe, as I've seen in some of the videos. And another special feature of this gimbal is this extension, like a selfie stick. It has an extension rod. This is very handy when you want to get more creative with this gimbal. And also you can see there is a tilt function, where you can tilt as per your requirement while shooting the video. This is really nice. What I'm seeing here is that it is of very nice quality. This is very premium in the hand, and the quality, though it's all plastic, is really very good and very sturdy. Then you have the magnetic clasp, which gets fixed onto the back of the phone. It expands like this. This is the spring action, and then this is the one that gets magnetically bolted on over here like this, and this is where you fix your phone and do your thing for the creative videos. Also, there is a tripod that is provided within the box. So you screw this over here to the base of the gimbal itself, and then once you expand the legs and place it on the floor, this is where this tripod is where you can use this gimbal with the tracking mode, where you place it on the land and track yourself in front of the phone and it tracks you. Or you can also use this for time lapses and such videos. So I would say this, all in all, this is a very good buy for me, and I'm really happy and satisfied with this. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I would appreciate if you can subscribe, comment and share this video. Also like the video. Thanks a lot. Keep watching for more. See you soon.